Subscribe to my channel to see the latest unboxing videos to your mobile.
There is a package from Samsung. The power bank, 10,000 mAh power bank. The battery pack written at the side. Here is the specifications. You can pause the video and read it. Okay. The battery efficiency is 80 to 90%, like 8,000 to 9,000 mAh. It will hold the charge. Okay. Now let's move to the box contents. Let's unpack it. Nothing inside. On the top, the power bank insert. Here is the power bank with double type C port. With it is full charged now. Here is a user manual. Read it before using it. And one Type-C to Type-C cable. Length is short, but it's okay. The Type-C to Type-C cable. There is a box content. Now move to the power bank. 25 watt it will support. Now let's charge it. In and out, both it will support 25 watt. It is full charged. No need to charge now. Now let's test the output. It is giving 25 watt or not. Here is my device. Let's test it. Yeah, it's giving 25 watt. Super fast charging. Yeah. Please note down that if you charge one device, it will charge at 25 watt at a peak level. But while charging the power bank or charging phone simultaneously, it will charge the device to 15 watt, like this. Now it is charging at 15 watt. Okay. Or if you charge two devices, both devices will be charged at 15 watt. One device will be charged 25 watt if no device is connected. If two devices are connected, the two devices will be charged at 15 watt. Okay. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and like my video. The purchase link in the description. I will rate it 4.5 out of 5. Okay, bye.